Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Hulu not working on Roku. Alright, let's begin. Now, I don't currently have access to Hulu since it's not available in my region, but I'll demonstrate the steps using a similar device. You can follow along on your Roku since the process is exactly the same. Start by checking if your Roku device is compatible with the Hulu app. Next, restart your Roku TV and your Wi-Fi router to refresh the connection and fix any temporary issues. If the issue continues, go to your TV's home screen and select the settings icon located in the corner. Then go to Applications, and after that, select Manage Installed Applications. Here, find the Hulu app and select it. After that, scroll down and select Clear Cache and Data. You can also uninstall the Hulu app and reinstall it from the store. These steps usually resolve most streaming issues quickly and effectively. That's it for this video. Thanks.